Hi Niall fans, I'd like to show you how to use our Purify Glacial Oceanic Clay Mask. This is a pretty special clay mask because it has both glacial and land clay, and it has the special 60 plus minerals in it that really nourish, purify, and cleanse your skin. The C ions in it actually help to pull out the impurities and get rid of those nasty little red pimples. So to use it, start by giving it a really vigorous shake. And then I recommend applying it first to your fingers, a good glob. You want to layer it onto your skin. Do not rub it in, just layer it like this. And cover all your area except for your eye area. You want to get into your forehead. And then you're set to let it dry for about 5 to 8 minutes, depending on the humidity. About 5 minutes, you'll look like me, look a little bit like a frog. You'll see the dark green and the light green. When it's totally the light green, it's time to wash off the clay mask. It's not better to leave it on longer, and simply just use warm water to rinse it off, and away you go. Okay. There we go. It comes off so nicely. I even recommend doing it in a shower so you don't have any of the splashes over your sink. And you know what's really nice, and so many customers have commented, is on how soft and smooth their skin feels, but also how tight their pores are. And they like to use it before a special occasion. If you have a fun evening out or a wedding or a nice dinner with your loved one, definitely consider using the clay mask before that special occasion.